Hello, yeah, this is your faculty Arvind, and I'm going to teach you about some options of Photoshops that we didn't learn in our earlier class. So, we are going to start our Photoshop app. Launch your Photoshop app. Today, we will learn about how we can create customized brush. So our workspace is ready. Go to file, choose new. You can choose any preset like print media, web media. So I just choose letter size and then create. So first of all, you can see the menus here. From edit menu and define brush preset, we can define any created graphic or any layer in a brush preset. From edit and define brush preset. So what to do first? You need to create a design, any graphic that you want to change as a brush. So first of all, I create a brush design. You can design by importing any graphic, any layer as a smart layer by place embed. But today we will learn how we can create vector design using pen tool. So go to pen tool, you can press P. Now you have your pen tool. I just create a design. If you don't know how to work with pen tool, I clear it. Just click and make your first node from where to start your line. You can create polylines and curved lines. So I just created a dot that's called node, anchor point. I'm going to create a leaf shape and I will use it as my brush. So again create another anchor point, but don't release your mouse button. If you don't release your mouse button, you can see these handles that's called bezier. Now it's look like perfect. Then release. Now I want to join these two nodes like this curve. So I have to press Alt key, then click to this node. You can see this angle symbol nearby my cursor. If you don't hit your Alt key, it will disappear. Only minus symbol is there, so don't forget to press Alt key. Now again click here and don't release your mouse button until you decide what to make. So I just created this. Now you can see your outline, but you don't see here in thumbnail as a layer. If you want to see these paths and you just want to customize this path, any changes you want in this path, you have to select paths panel. If you don't see your paths panel here, you can go window and choose paths. So the first layer in your path panel, you can see a work path. Work path refers to that on which path you are currently working on. So you can modify it, move it. It is showing convert to normal layer. but don't convert it to normal layer. Choose cancel. If you want to move it, don't try this one. You can choose path selection tool. Okay, now if you want to customize this shape, if you want to modify this shape, this outline, you can choose direct selection path, direct selection tool. So we can move it, we can set these Bezier tools. Suppose that if we want to add an anchor point in between two points on this path, this segment, if you want to add anchor point, you have to choose add anchor point from pen tool selection. So pen tool, you can see add anchor point. Just like Illustrator, add anchor point tool is used to add a point on any segment. Now I have added 2 points in this shape. Now if you want to move these paths, these 2 paths that is connected with 1, 2, 3 and 4 anchor points, if you want to customize, again you have to choose direct selection tool. You can move it, you can change the Bezier handles, change the tangents of your paths. Now if you change this handle, you can see the both handles is working symmetrically with each other. So if you want to move only a single handle, you need to press Alt key, just like Illustrator. Okay, so we are learning about how we can create our desired brush, our customized brush. I made an outline with pen tool, and this shape can be seen via path panel. So work path is here. I want to fill it with a solid color, then you need to right click on work path. You can make it as a selection also, but first of all you should select fill path. Fill path, here you can see the content which to be filled is foreground color. So go to color, I choose red, I can choose green, but when you creating a brush, just choose only black. If you are creating a brush, just choose black. Okay, I have choose the black. Now go to layer, you can see your shape. Now go to edit, define brush preset, give it to a name. Now you can see the brush tool is automatically selected and the same drawing, same graphic is here as my brush. You can resize it, even you can use it in another file. You can see your brush design in brush preset panel, leaf. So the color of brush is little bit yellow. If you drag it, you can see your brush is using as a stroke. So the problem is, if you continuously drawing, it looks like a stroke, but if you want some space in these strokes to make it appear as a leaf, you can hit F5 for brush properties. F5. Here you can see spacing option. Just increase the spacing. Now when you will use it, you can see your brush that you have created earlier. You can resize it. So what we have done, first create a basic shape, fill it with a color, then go to edit, define brush preset. I hope you have learned. If you facing any problem while creating or while using some tool of Photoshop, you can WhatsApp me. I will suggest you the better answer for this. Thank you.